Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we are diving into a powerful feature in Logic ERP, setting up an item code prefix to streamline your inventory management. Whether you're handling a large inventory or want to keep your item codes consistent and organized, this feature will save you time and prevent errors. Let's get started. First, head to the Setup Items Multiple Pack Sizes. Here you will find the configuration of setup items. Click to open the configuration. Here, you can specify your prefix rules. Let's explore all these options one by one. Let's begin with user-defined. User-defined refers to an item code that is manually created by the user as opposed to being automatically generated by the system. Let's create an item to see it's working. Tick the item code when you are using the user-defined option. Now enter your item code here. This is how you can define the user-defined item code. Let us see how to generate item codes using the company's short name. For the middle item code here, you have two options, either to enter the middle item code manually or to use characters of the item name accordingly. Let's automatically generate the item code middle using the first 5 characters of the item name. Here you can observe item code has been successfully generated using company short name and first 5 characters of item name. Just like you have generated item code using company short name, following the same step you can generate item code using group short name. Here you can see item code has been generated using group short name and first 5 characters of item name. Let us now learn to generate item codes using company short names and auto increment. Here you can see item code has been generated using company short name plus auto increment number. Let's have a glimpse of how to generate item codes using EN13. The EN13 barcode has 13 digits in total. You just need to set the prefix, depending on how your barcode is structured. After setting the prefix, Logic ERP should handle the rest of the barcode generation or entry, ensuring that the complete 13-digit barcode follows the EN13 standard. Let's save the item and check the item code. Here you can see, after saving the item code has been generated using EAN13. Let's see how item codes will be created using an EAN prefix plus an auto-increment number. Save the item first to see the result. Here you can see the item code has been generated using an EAN prefix plus an auto-increment number. Overall, using item code prefixes in Logic ERP can significantly enhance organization, efficiency, and clarity in inventory management, ultimately contributing to better overall operational performance. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.